So, would you like to learn about how to make an earth gravity battery stove really easy and inexpensive without very much trouble at all? Let's do it. This is a very inexpensive tent stove off a online retailer, less than $100, stainless steel, and I've simply customized it. And so instead of the outgoing upward flue pipe, I've left the elbow and turned it down because I'm not burning wood. I don't need to expel uncombusted partial gases, VOCs, that sort of thing, wood smoke. So I've turned this down so I'll still have an entryway for air here. Also on the unit, I've turned the air ventilator bottom to open, max. And I'll show you how this works. So to get a full radiative heat effect in Earth's so-called Earth battery, we're gonna, after our burn down, after the alcohol goes dead and this is no longer heating, all the heat's gonna transfer up here to these normal garden bricks. These aren't fire bricks or anything special, they're just old pavers. They don't have to be any special. I wouldn't buy terracotta or anything. It may flake under heating, but just get some cheap and expensive good bricks. And obviously I've bought a tin stove with a flat top, anticipating this. And I've added 3 bricks, like so, for my thermal battery. And you can run this, I'll show you the inside, off of candles, like so. If you do, this is a much smaller flame than alcohol, so you need to get your BTU value up. So I would use at least 3 of these, or a couple large ones, or as many tea lights as you can fit in here, but then you're gonna kind of defeat the purpose of the project, which is saving money. So where I live is very cold, and I'm up late at night. I don't want to necessarily run the central heat in heat rooms that I'm not occupying. So I'm going to use this just to heat the room I'm in, so I don't have to run my furnace. And I'm going to be using a homemade alcohol stove. I've made many videos on these showing how this works. And my fuel today is going to be denatured alcohol, 200 proof. So there's nothing in this but alcohol, also available at many sources and online retailers. I'm going to load up my stove, and I'm going to light it and get our burn going. It's very safe to use, so I can do it like this. It's just going to start the burn. Put it in like so. Now this stove I made is designed to have air ports on each side acting as gas jets. So as this starts to burn and heat up, there's a hollow space between the walls, and it's going to start through transpiration, bringing the alcohol up to these portholes and igniting it, and this is going to start a big burn effect. And it's going to be very, very efficient. So instead of this one yellow looking, very inefficient flame, this is going to turn blue, and these jets are going to ignite very shortly. I'm going to close the door, and the rest of this video is going to be more or less a demo of that. And as this heat, of course, heats up, all this heat's transferring from the top of the stove into these earth batteries, where it'll be slowly radiated over many, many, many hours. This will stay warm for a very, very long time. And the stove's starting to heat up and work here. Get it really going here. I have to put my camera down so you folks can see. Now, any alcohol stove will work for the purpose of this device. I've simply created a more efficient one. There's also many small alcohol and camping stoves and even bigger ones available on many sources, including online retailers. You're not going to have a problem sourcing this project at all. Maybe I should have used a small tripod for this, but I'll turn out this desk lamp. Maybe you can see much better. There we are. Now we're getting a good blue flame. The unit's burning very, very efficiently now. So what you want to see is a good, clean blue flame. That's your efficiency. For gas or alcohol devices, you really don't want to see any type of yellow or orange or anything in the device. It's already getting very, very warm up here. Very, very warm. Very cool. Works very, very well. Alright, I'll be posting lots of videos on things. Give you a demo of it. No, I didn't fold these legs out either. These are folded up underneath, but this whole unit will go down on the floor in a central area down by my chair anyway. I just have it on this table for the video. And keep a safe flame heat barrier from anything. Obviously you don't want window curtains or anything touching this because of a fire hazard. But there you go. Very cool.